hope everyone's been having a great week. You guys have been doing an excellent job on your assignments and also on your RAS Kids and your math skills on iknowit.com. So keep up the great work. Let's start off with our quick morning meeting. Today is Thursday, April 9th. The weather outside, unfortunately, is going to be rainy, and there will be a high of 55 degrees. So it'll be pretty warm. Not super warm, but warm enough, but it will be rainy. So today we're going to read an article about something that's very important: sleep. The article is called "What's the Deal with Sleep?" So now is a great time for you guys to be making sure that you're getting good rest, because everyone's home and you have more than enough time to rest. So I figure that we could read this article about sleep so you could learn healthy habits for how long you should be sleeping every day and what time you should be going to bed and things like that. Then you could create a schedule for yourself. All right. So I'll read aloud first, and then you guys will reread on your own and answer the questions. What's the deal with sleep? You go to bed at night, close your eyes, and drift off to sleep. Have you ever wondered how exactly sleep works? Plus, where do dreams come from? Let's start with the basics. When you fall asleep, you go through the 4 stages of the sleep cycle. We'll explore what happens during each of these stages. Okay, so when you sleep, there's 4 stages of a sleep cycle. And a cycle is like a circle. Think cycle and circle, they sound a lot alike. So a circle repeats itself. So same with a cycle. It starts at 1, goes to 2, goes to 3, goes to 4, and then repeats back to 1 and keeps going around. So there's 4 stages in a human sleep cycle. First up is stage 1. This is when you feel yourself becoming drowsy. So when you start feeling tired, your muscles begin to relax and your brain activity slows down. Your eye movements are slow during stage 1. It lasts several minutes and you can be woken up easily. So stage 1 is really when you just start to get very tired, your body starts to relax, your brain starts getting ready to go to sleep, but it's still easy for you to wake up. Next is stage 2, when your sleep becomes a bit deeper. You won't wake up as easily. The slow eye movements continue and your brain waves slow down even more. Your body temperature goes down and your heart rate slows down. So now you're starting to really get ready to fall deeply asleep. And your breathing slows down, your heart slows down, because that's what happens when we go to sleep, when we're resting. Stage 3 is known as deep sleep. It's more difficult for you to be waken up, and although you are sleeping deeply, this is when sleepwalking or sleep talking occur. So people that sleepwalk or sleep talk, it would happen during stage 3 for them. So all those sleepwalkers out there may not actually remember doing anything strange in their sleep the next day. Then finally, you move into REM. So this is the 4th stage. It's called REM, R-E-M. That stands for rapid eye movement. So REM stands for rapid eye movement. That's when your eyes are moving very quickly. During the REM stage, your eyes move quickly beneath your closed eyelids. So your eyes would be closed like this, but underneath your eyes are moving back and forth. So you can kind of usually see someone's eyes shaking when they're in a REM stage. This is caused by certain brain activity. You may have vivid dreams during this stage. So you may have very real feeling dreams during the REM stage. Your brain waves are more active than in stage 2 and 3. They're similar to when you're awake. It's easier for someone to wake you up, but you may feel groggy or sleepy. Once your REM phase is over, the cycle starts all over again with stage 1. So like I said before, it will repeat back to 1 and keep going again till you get to 4, and then it'll repeat again. A complete sleep cycle lasts between 90 and 110 minutes. Stages 1 and 2 are considered light sleep, while stage 3 is deep sleep. You'll go through about 4 or 5 of these cycles each night, depending on how long you sleep. So most people go through at least 4 or 5 of those repeated sleep cycles. Now, what's the deal with dreams? The scientific study of dreams is called oneirology. Sorry, that was a hard word. Oneirology. Nobody knows exactly why we dream. It is believed that dreaming helps us process emotions. So no one knows exactly why we dream. Some people think that we dream because it helps us deal with our feelings and emotions. Things that happen during the day often enter our dreams. We spend about 2 hours a night dreaming. Every single one of us dreams. Some of us dream in color, while others dream in black and white. Although we can dream during each stage of sleep, the most vivid dreams occur during REM sleep. So you can have dreams in all stages of sleep, but your most memorable dreams, the ones that seem the most real, happen during your REM stage of sleep, the 4th stage. Sleep is very important. In fact, you spend about 1/3 of your time doing it. That's a good thing. Quality sleep is as important as food and water. So just like how your body needs food and water to survive, you also need sleep in order to survive. We wouldn't be able to learn or create new memories. Without it, we wouldn't be able to function properly if we didn't get sleep. It would also be harder to concentrate and respond quickly. School-age children and teenagers need about 9.5 hours of sleep each night. Most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. And Miss Pearl over here, I think she heard us talking about sleep. That's why she came over, because this girl loves to sleep. I don't know, she definitely sleeps at least like 12 hours a day, probably more. She takes a lot of naps. She just woke up from a nap right now. So you guys should definitely be getting at least 9.5 hours of sleep a night. Another funny habit we have is that we often forget our dreams. That's true. I always forget my dreams. So the next time you fall asleep, keep a notebook and pen beside your bed. If you have any memories of your dreams when you wake up, then write them down right away. Some might make funny stories. It's true. So they're saying that because you might remember your dream right when you wake up, if you keep a pen and a piece of paper by your bed, you could write it down so you don't forget. Okay, so let's go over the key points from this article. So first things first, there's 4 stages of sleep, right? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and then stage 4 is called REM. It's the REM stage, rapid eye movement. REM stands for rapid eye movements. What else? We learned that a cycle is something that repeats, like a circle, cycle and circle. So once your sleep cycle is over for stage 4, it goes back and starts again at 1. And it said that most people will have about 4 to 5 cycles per night. The cycle lasts for 90 to 110 minutes. What else? Oh, we learned that dreams, nobody knows exactly why we dream. Some people think it's to help us better understand our emotions, but everybody does dream. And most importantly, you need sleep. It's just the same as food and water. You need to sleep, and kids your age should be getting at least 9